Okay guys, here is day 4 update number 2, the exterior. And you see right here, like what we talked about on the interior, we've got the 2 windows for the living room, 2 windows for the bedroom upstairs. The door, our 8x8 garage door, our 12x12 garage door. This part of the building here is north facing. So this is the north side of the house going to the west end wall. You can see right here that the windows and the eaves, all that, they did a great job on this stuff, and it's just beautiful, these guys did. And I'm going to south side to show you south facing of the building. So bear with me, I'm kind of slow and fat these days. So here's the south facing wall. These 2 windows here, both are for the garage. And actually, eventually we're going to build over the second floor, over part of the garage to these guys. So once we get to the point where the apartment on this side of the building, or the house on this side of the apartment, is done, we're going to move our RV out, move it over here to the RV pad that we've talked about in the previous, and then we're going to start putting in an additional second floor addition in the garage. And this, see the back door here, this window here is for the upstairs bathroom. And then walking around, continuing, this is the east end wall. And you'll see the 1 window here is for the kitchen. And that'll take you on around back to the front of the house, where you can see, I'll show you some close-up of work of what they've done and the trim and stuff on the windows that we can get to. They did a really nice job, guys. I'm really pleased. And you can look with the, how they've done their trim and whatnot. And they've caulked everything as well too, so that's a nice professional touch. A lot of these building manufacturers don't have that, and they don't come in and caulk these windows. And so they caulk the windows and the doors to help with watertight integrity, and they've done really well. Here's the front door again. Other than that, there's day 4 update number 2 exterior. We're pleased. The guys just left. Super great guys. They worked so hard. I'm so grateful that they were on our building. And so now the real work begins for Joe and I. So love you guys. Have a great day. Rock on, good people of Earth.